definitely ate this look down.
Don't put no coffin out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat. Hey, let's get it, bro. DOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say this a lot of goofies for the check. I mean, I hold them sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, I choose violence. Hey, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but they not be legit. No 40 water. Tell them, yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak this and first person shooter. I hope they came with 3 switches. I crash out like fuck rap. This Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. This I've lost too many souls.
This is the makeup look. I think it's eating. Lighting a little bit right now. It's currently 7:16. I need to leave by 7:30. I'm gonna get dressed and put on my jewelry, and then I'll show y'all the whole night. Running a little late, but this is the final look.
I'm really like that.
About to go to work. About to be late. Bye. Love you guys.